Hi, this is Jim Sutton of Stone Tablet Innovations. This is the first in a series of video blogs that will allow you to build your own Internet of Things devices and programs and applications. Our first video is on a data approach to how devices communicate on the Internet of Things. I think everyone knows that in the future, computers are going to be everywhere, and so will your data. As more and more devices you own get connected to the internet and corporate websites, the corporations are going to harvest and monetize the information they've gained on individuals. Once disclosed and stored in the cloud, you as an individual no longer have any control over your data. So this brings us to the Stone Tablet Innovations mission and why we're recording this series of blogs. We'd like to allow individuals to interact and control IoT devices without disclosing what information was exchanged. We'd like to build computer code in an open and reusable environment that will allow any individual to take advantage of this infrastructure. And we want to make sure that we never collect data on any individual because that would defeat the whole purpose of what we're trying to achieve. In the graphic on the right, you can see the woman wants to control a device inside her house. Today, it's often done by going to a cloud service that maintains a cloud database of what information the woman sent to her house. And we don't like that. We'd rather you be able to control it without any information being kept about you. And we look at this as sort of a protective Iron Dome approach. To make all this happen, there's a wide variety of hardware platforms that have to be supported because everyone has different equipment. For personal computers, we have Windows and Apple. For the smartphones, Samsung, Apple, and Google. And inside your house doing the actual work, there are IoT devices with embedded microcontrollers. In this blog, we'll be working with ARM Cortex and Tensilica Extensa microcontrollers. Similar to the hardware, there's a lot of software that has to be running to make the IoT devices function. And here's a list of 4 important ones. C is extremely important for the IoT devices, and Python and Swift are also commonly used in our tutorials here. There will be a common tool for maintaining the software versions, and you'll be able to get all the code from GitHub. We'll be going into quite a bit of detail, but there's a common tool that we'll use for all communication, and this is the XMPP, which has been in use for quite a while, starting with Java. We have 2 projects underway, which we'll be documenting in the video blogs. The first is a houseplant watering device using an ESP32 and a lawn sprinkler controller with a little bit more powerful controller called ARM Cortex. So that's it for video blog number 1. That's our Internet of Things approach, where we're emphasizing direct access to your IoT devices inside your Iron Dome. We're going to have a number of other videos, the next one being on Espressif's ESP32 as an IoT platform. Thank you very much for listening to this. Don't hesitate to describe or look at some more videos. Thanks again.